Welcome to Math Quest with Mr. Bowie. This is part 2 of our consumer arithmetic video on CSEC past paper questions. If you're new here, remember to like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon so that you can be notified of new video uploads. So let's jump into it. Jenny works at Sammy's restaurant and is paid according to the rates in the following table. Jenny's weekly wage agreement. So we got basic wage, $600 plus 90 cents for each customer served. In a week when Jenny serves n customers, her weekly wage WJ, subscript J in dollars, is given by the formula WJ equals 600 plus 9.90 N. Determines Jenny's weekly wage if she served 230 customers. Well, we know that N, they told us that N represents the number of customers. So where we see N, we're going to substitute 230 because now we know our number of customers. So let's do that. So we can say WJ this week, 600 plus 0.90. Now we substitute 230, close our bracket. We can put all of this into a calculator to get a nice value. Let's go 600 plus 0.90 times 230, $807. So that's the amount she earns for that week. Just one mark for this problem. Pretty straightforward. Next part says, in a good week, Jenny's wage is 1,000 or more. What is the least number of customers that Jenny must serve in order to have a good week? So we can write this as a statement. We know, remember her, let's screw it up, the formula for her wage, which is WJ. So yeah, we can have the formula. Good. So formula for her wage, WJ. So we just need this part of it because it's saying a good week she earns more, 1,000 or more. So how many customers she needs serve to make at least $1,000. What is the least number of customers? All right. So we're gonna put 1,000 or more. She is gonna make 1,000 or more. So we're gonna say in which her salary is greater than or equal to 1,000. So 0.90 N. The reason I put this sign right here is because it says 1,000 or more. In a good week, she earns 1,000 or more. So it's saying her salary over here, 600 plus 0.90 times number of customers served should be greater than or equal to 1,000. So that's good. Now we need to solve for N. So the first is to subtract 600 from both sides, which is going to be 1,000 minus 600 less than or equal to 0.90 N. That's going to give us 400. Then we need to divide both sides by 0.90. And then we're going to get 400 divided by 0.9. 444.44. So it's going to give 444.44. If we keep the 44, keep going, so keep getting 444. Well, she cannot serve 0.44 of a person, so we're gonna have to round up. So the at least now should have to, this says what is the least number of customers, would have to be 445. So therefore Jenny must serve at least 445 customers. So in this case we have to round up, because if she serves 444, if we round it down in this case, she's not going to make enough money, because if we enter 600 plus 0.9 times 444, we're going to get $999.60. She'll still be short, so it has to be 445. All right. So let's go. So next question here says, at the same time, at the same restaurant, Shauna is paid a weekly wage of $270 plus $1.50 for each customer serves. If WS is Shauna's weekly wage in dollars, write a formula for calculating Shauna's weekly wage when she serves M customers. So even if we never know how to do this, in the previous problem above, they explained it and they also gave us an example of the formula. They gave us the formula. So now they're trying to say, can you look at what we just did earlier to create a formula for yourself on the people? So now it's WS for wage. It's going to equal her fixed amount, basic, 270 plus $1.50 of each customer she served. And it'll be 150, and the number of customers she served is M times M. And there we go. So this formula will calculate Shauna's weekly wage. Then final part here says, in a certain week, Jenny and Shauna received the same wage for serving the same number of customers. So both equations would be equal in this situation because we use the formula for their weekly wage to calculate their weekly wage. So if they earn the same amount of money, that means the formulas are producing the same result. So we can equate the formulas. So it says how many customers did they each serve. So we know Jenny, to find Jenny, it is 600 plus 0.90n, and for Shauna it is 270 plus 1.50m. So we're saying that both of these should be equal. Let's see, 270, is it 270? Yes, 270. Good. Now if it says how many customers did they serve, so they're saying at this particular point they serve the same number of customers. If they serve the same number of customers, then that means that N equals M, so we can replace it with a common variable, let's say X in this case. So we can rewrite now to say that 600 plus 0.90x is equal to 270 plus 1.50x. Now we group the like terms to one side, so let's keep the like terms on our left. 0.90, did it right, good. 0.90x, and if we bring over the 1.5 from the right to our left, we're gonna change the sign because by right we're actually subtracting. So 1.50x is now equal to 270, and the same for the 600, subtracted from the left, it's gonna go negative 600. Now this is gonna give us negative 0.60x, and this right here should give us negative 330. Divide both sides by negative 0.60 and negative 0.60. Oops. And therefore x would equal, let's do a calculation. So we got, oops. Alright, so negative 330 divided by negative 0.6, oops, 550. So therefore, how many customers did they each serve? Therefore, they each serve 550 customers. And there we go. And that's the end of our video for today. So again, remember to like, share, subscribe. You may comment, you may reach out to me in the comments as well. I do have classes from time to time